Another truckers calls on my back here with another video. Today we're doing a $25 Walmart fishing challenge. So, I gotta pick out a rod first. Where's a cheap little rod at? Oh, come on now. Ooh.
Go check out my channel.
Check out my brother's channel. Ooh, I might start off with a solid.
I'm
No.
gonna start out with these. Colton, get these.
How much are they? Bro.
3. Wait.
So I'm gonna try to find a rod first, guys. Ooh, let me just find a cheap little rod. Ooh. I'm checking out this for looks pretty. It's very good. Okay, I might even go with this rod.
Can I get this?
How much does it cost?
$3.
Oh, I'm broke.
Yes, it's nice.
Wait, yeah. I'll let the rest of money you use, but you gotta pay me back. No. So I'm going out with this rod, this Ultra Dock Demon rod. Okay? And that is $7.84. That's $10. So I have $15 left. Wait, yeah, $15 left. So I think I might go with.
What are you rounding up?
Like the teacher taught me. So I might even go with the jig. Where's some jigs at? No. I'm just gonna. I might even go with one of these jigs.
Are these Cosmo baits?
Buzz baits, not Puzmo baits. What is this? Oh, $10 right there.
It says this. Look, Colton.
I'm gonna go ahead and grab a jig.
This is
Kind of liking this jig. Ooh. I'm going with this one. This jig, guys.
This is $1, Colton. This is $1.
So, what else could I grab? Oh, this jig and the bucket.
I'm trying not to spend a bunch.
So, this is a new bait. Not getting it right now, though. That was, how much was that? That was $1. That was $2. $2. I'm gonna see if I can find a Whopper Popper. This is how hard this is, and guys. That's my mom's phone. I think I might.
Look at this shad.
How much? That was $2. So spend $2. That would equal $13. So I can go ahead and buy this for $10. $2. Have $3 more to spend.
Yeah.
$3 more to spend, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pick out. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna put this back, not this. I think I'm gonna try to go in. I have $13 left. So. Oh, here's some little rods. Oh, $9.68. Ooh. Nah. So I'm thinking about getting some hooks, and then I'm gonna get some. Might go with this, guys. It comes with hooks and bullet weights. But the bullet weights are a little bit too big. $5.99 for 5 plus 14. That's gonna equal $7. This is $7 right here, guys. $7. 7 plus 10, 17
Plus 2.
plus 2. How much?
19.
19.
About $5 left.
I got about $5 left, guys. $5 left. Ooh, I'm gonna go and try to get some drop shot.
$3 left.
No. So, I think I'll just get. Where's some drop shot hooks at? Some drop shots. I want some. I want to get some drop shot hooks, guys. Some drop shots. Ooh. Here's a bass bucket. How much is this? Like $10. So I have like 5. I'll go ahead and put that other stuff back and get this. This is all the stuff I need. Doesn't come with the jig, but this is $10, so that's 11. putting this back. Okay, guys.
Put this dog food back.
So this is $2. 7 plus 2 is gonna equal 9. 9 plus 10, so 11. So I have like $5 left. I have $5 left, guys. Ooh, this is hard. I should $5. It's hard to buy some worms. I think I'll go and buy some drop shots. Oh, no drop shots. I don't see any drop shots.
This is $4.
No, not that. That's not $4. I'm not getting $4.
We're not going to
Okay. Guys, this is so hard. There's a trout. No, there ain't no trout here. I'm trying to find some drop shot. Drop shot, drop shot. Here's some drop shot.
Not my fault that it did that.
Wait a second. Here's some drop shot. Drop shot. This is $1.50. So $1.50. Like, I'm gonna count that as 2. So we have $3 left. I'm gonna go and buy me some tungsten weights. Some little drop shot weights. Oh, here we go. $1.44. Count that.
Those are kind of heavy.
Yeah, they're supposed to be. So I have like $1 left. Go and buy me some cheap worms. Oh, that's my mom just joking. Ooh, some little drop shot worms. See? Huh? So, any $1 worms. So let's look in the cheap bin. Let's look in the cheapo bins. I think I might go with these drop shot Lucky Strike. Okay, that's it for the challenge, guys. Right there. This is mine. This and this and this. And this is all of mine. Okay, I say this is about like $26, like $1 over. Rounding up though. Okay. Oh wait, I don't need no drop shot worms. I already got drop shot worms right here. I want some drop shot. And then I might be get one of these. Okay. Hey guys, catch you on the checking out. Catching out thing. Catch. I don't know how to say it. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next.
Catch you at checkout.
Catch you in the checkout.